Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai i30. In this video I'll show you how to find seatbelt's manufacture date. To check the seatbelt manufacture date, take a look at any seatbelt. At the bottom of the seatbelt you will always find special piece of fabric right there. And here there will be manufacture date. Make sure, if you are buying the used car, to check this sticker, because if the manufacture date is younger than the car itself, it may indicate that the seatbelt were replaced due to crash. Same with the windows. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.